In today's video, I'll show you how to install a 100% save file in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. Check my video description for this save file download link. Right-click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR and open the folder. Open Documents, open Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 Players, random number. This is your ID. Before dropping this, you need to back up your game progress. Right-click on the blank area and select New and select Folder. Name this folder Backup. Drag and drop these files inside this backup folder and then open players. Drag and drop these files inside this location. In password, you need to type GAAM EZAAM and then click on OK. Once you drop the files, open the backup folder and right click on this random number. This is your ID. Right click and select rename, copy the ID. Once you done, right click on the placed here your ID and select rename, paste here and then press enter. Now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, you can able to see every story unlocked. You can choose the story you like to play. To show you guys it's working, I'm gonna load this mission. And as you can see, the save file successfully loads. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.